Kia ora. We are learning to understand the difference between decoding and comprehension in a text. Decoding is the ability to actually read a word by sounding out the phonemes within the word. So, example, this word is wealthiest. Being able to sound it out, wealthiest, and know that you have decoded the word because you've been able to read the word by sounding out the phonemes within the word. On the other hand, comprehension is understanding and making sense of the words on the page. Fluency is the ability to put both of these skills together at the same time. So you need to be able to decode the text and the words and be able to understand the comprehension and understand what you're reading to make sense of the text and the novel fully. So I'm going to use Billionaire Boy as an example because I've been reading that recently and really enjoyed the text. Now, looking at this text, what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and I want you to see if you can read the text. Can you read all of the words? Can you sound out all of the words? If so, then you are decoding the text. If you can't sound out all of the words and even breaking them down to the phonemes, then you might want to ask a teacher or a peer for help and support. My next point is that in order to show that you have comprehended what you have read, I want to be able to know, can you answer these questions about the text? So what are the reasons Joe has to be happy? Pause the video and discuss it as a group. Did you get the correct answer? How do you know Joe is rich? Provide 3 examples to prove he is rich. What is the one thing that Joe really needs? So if you've comprehended the text, you should have been able to pick up on the fact and the detail within Billionaire Boy to show that you fully understood it and that you've comprehended what you've been reading. Your turn. You're going to use page 1 from your novel study to show that you can decode the text. So first thing, you're going to read that out loud on your seesaw for your parents. You're then going to write 5 questions that could be used to show comprehension from that page of text. And you're going to see if another reader from your group can answer the questions that you have wrote. That way you're able to cross-reference and check with each other. Are you comprehending what you are reading? Some examples that you could use for your questions, you could have who questions, what, where, when, why, how. These are all awesome detailed starting points for your question about the text. Be prepared to discuss this when you come down to your workshop. Remember, you are showing me that you fully understand how to decode and comprehend your text and novel. Until next time.